Hello students, today we will see finance and accounts departments of any business organization. So let's see what is the meaning of finance. For fulfilling the objectives of business, a business always needs some source of money which can be made or used as a capital. So in present days world, when complex form of business organizations exist, then the finance has also become very complex thing. So such activities which are concerned with planning, raising, controlling, or administering of the funds used in the business is called business finance. It includes estimation, how much finance is required, acquisition, that means taking over the finance, and administration of already acquired funds, so that objectives of business firms may be fulfilled. So this is the meaning of finance. Let's see what are the functions of finance and accounts department. So first function is estimating the financial requirements. Now based on the size of business operation and the intensity of business operation, which is supposed to be attained by the business firm, decides how much finance is required by the firm. What is the nature of business, size of business, all these help to achieve the exact financial requirements. So considering all the factors and the future course of action, finance manager is supposed to find out how much financial requirement will be there for an organization in the near future. Again, designing the capital structure. Capital structure is a new word to you. Capital may be constituted of several sources. Like some sources are like equity share issuing, or preference share issue, or debenture issue, or taking loan from any financial institutions, long term loan or short term loans, or any commercial loan from bank, or credit from the creditors. So all these are sources of financing of capital. Now what will be the capital structure? If equity share will be increased, then voting rights will go in the hands of other, whereas if debenture is issued, every year fixed interest has to be paid on those debentures. So after considering all the factors, anyone can decide what is going to be capital structure. So this is the also the main function of finance. Raising the funds. Now when requirements have been computed and design have also been decided, then comes how to raise the funds. Again, there are many sources like equity share issue, preferential issue, right issue, bonus issue, through which issuing debenture or acquiring loan from commercial institutions, all these may uh, lead to capital generation, but the firm has to decide as to which source is to be selected, which can serve the sources of capital. Again, investment of funds. When funds have been raised and acquired, then comes the question how these funds will be invested. However, this is decided before even estimating the requirement of capital. However, when the actual fund is collected, then again the manager has to a chance to decide as to if less fund is collected, then how to optimize that, or if more funds are collected, then how to manage that extra finance. All these are decided under investment of funds function. Again, management of cash is also a big deal, since if cash is remaining idle in the business, it will not give any return. But if the same cash is invested into working capital, or in the business, or in the raw materials, or acquiring some new investments, then it would lead to some income. So if there is over cash, then there is also problem of over capitalization. Cash is lying and it is not generating any income. Whereas if cash are less, then there will also be some problem, because some immediate payments may not be made on time if the cash is not available. So management of cash is also an important factor function. Disposal of earnings. Now whatever earnings have been made by the organization, how that will be disposed, that means how that will be used. The earnings may be distributed to the shareholders in the form of dividends, whereas some part of it or whole of it can be kept back in the business in the form of general reserve or reserve account or any provision or profit and loss account. So this is up to the finance manager as to how much earning is going to be distributed among shareholders and how much earnings has to be put in the business. Again, accounting, financial controls. Financial performance goes on always, and the manager has the responsibility to control that activities and how that can lead to the best alternative for the business. Again, accounting means properly recording the financial transaction, which can only give idea about what is going in the finance department of the business. So it is very important function of finance and accounts department as to keep the records of all transactions and prepare the statements required by the managers, and present and keep the data in such a way that anytime on the need basis it can be retrieved. So all these are functions of finance and accounts. Now let's see what are the position of finance and accounts director. So board of director is the head of the company. Below it, managing director works. Below that, separate director is there for finance and account departments, and from here it starts the finance and accounts department. So there are finance manager, one is treasurer who keeps all the money with him, that means who is looking after the treasure, and accounts manager who is the controller, who has the responsibility of supervising all the activities. So under finance manager, there may be financial planning and banking relations manager. Cash management may be looked after by any other person. Credit management is there. Portfolio management means how different sources of finance will be maintained. That comes under portfolio management. Portfolio means simply maintaining a group and optimizing the benefits from it. Again, under accounts manager, financial accounting is looked after by different. If the business is involved in some factory related operations, then cost accounting manager has to be a separate person who will look after the costs incurring in the factory. Budgeting is needed because future estimation of finance is very much needed. Internal audit is very important so that all the financial operations are run successfully, flawlessly, and honestly. Again, taxation manager is also there because in case of big companies, tax is also looked after by a separate person. So taxation has to be done under accounts manager. So all these are functions of finance and accounts department. So thanks. Next day I will go to the next chapter. Best of luck till then. Thanks.